na me own alien, so no boy can't style me. Na me own alien, yeah. Me no frightened feelings.
Want to sit down. What are you doing? What? Baby's 9-month birthday today. We decided to come and have a little meal as a little family. Right, baby? So I just had my mozzarella sticks. I always get this whenever I come to TGI's. And babe had a soup, which she said wasn't bad at all. I didn't like it. He doesn't like this because he doesn't really like cheese. Hi babe. What's going on? You have a 9-month-old. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Mira's plate. It wasn't disgusting. It's not. You just don't like cheese. You know what was disgusting? That. What is that face? Dun dun dun. My 9-month baby. Dada? She's talking to Auntie right now. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Auntie. Mira, you have to talk to her. Running around literally in her walker. She pulls herself up and she's standing up. What else? She picks herself up from like a lying down position. She crawls all over the place. Goes back and forth into sitting positions. She's obsessed with like the control of her hands. So like if she has a toy, she'll pass it from hand to hand and she'll like give it to me. And so we're in the process of teaching her like thank you and please and stuff like that. She still watches her baby sign language, of course. She signs eat, she signs milk. Guys, the solids that she eats, potatoes, sweet potato, loaf dumpling. She tried fish the other day, she liked that. She's tried mango, apple, pears, pine, watermelon. She loves cucumbers, tomato, broccoli. She loves broccoli. She's tried green peas. So she's tried quite a bit. So she's doing really well. I think she's definitely turning into like Amir started turning into her own person from roughly around 4 or 5 months thereabouts. But now since she's hit the 9-month mark, well she's only just hit the 9-month mark, it's like she's like a whole person in herself. Like she has her own opinions. Like she has like a face beside to her. If you're calling her and she knows like you if you're not trying to give her anything she wants right now, she ignores you. Like she's so cheeky. So I think she's definitely turning into like such a cute personality. There's a sweet. freezing my balls off. Freezing my tits off. Amira! Wow! Are you red? Are you your favorite color? She's looking at me like, I think you're a bit ill. You're a weird color. Guys, it's over. Dinner is done. We're heading back home. I'm running nose because it was so cold in there. Like, it was so cold. I'm gonna go to the Devon House location tomorrow. I just don't know what I'm gonna do because I feel like 2 weeks ago she was not like this. She's done a huge jump in terms of, like, I guess milestones and like development between like 2 weeks ago and now. It's unreal. Like, it's so funny because this place to us used to be like the place where you come and chill and hot place, you know. Yeah, for well hot for come and place, you know, back in the day, you know. And it's so funny, now I'm here with my family. Oh, time have changed. The other night we were coming in like 6 a.m. when Burger King got food, we're going home, and I said to babe, I'm like, this is so funny because if y'all are like day ones, you know that's our routine. Party when we're drunk, we go Burger King, get food, go home when the sun coming up and everything after partying, usually partying, and then taboo one. It's like here we are heading back home at 6 a.m. with our baby from hospital. Like, yeah, thumbs up for growth, thumbs up for time changing. I'm not gonna say maturity because y'all know if we feel like go party again, we'll go party. If we feel like hit up a strip club, we'll go again. But you know, it's just mama and dada. Yeah guys, so my nose is running. Babe, I'm literally fine out.
What do you mean?
My nose is running. And oh, it's probably dusty as well, you know, the AC. Right, baby. It's way past this one's bedtime. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and coming along to her 9-month celebration slash update. Shout out to all my notification gang. Let me do a shout out. Where's my phone? Alright, shout out to Eni Dean, if I'm saying that right, and shout out to Stacy Edwards. Guys, shout out to you. If you want a chance for a shout out, then you know, comment down below, notification gang. Also comment down below some ideas of what we should call the channel, because I'm gonna revamp the channel as a family channel. So let me know in the comments below the ideas you have. Obviously it has to be surrounding our surname Hastings. See you guys in my next video. Bye.